Hey yo, what's going on guys? Canadian Vapor back on the mic like always. So today we got Uncle Schmo behind the mic producing this whole video, so shout out to him. Instagram link and YouTube link down in the description. Alright guys, so today I filmed a video on this with this tank for the most lit up setup. Before we start the video, let's just take a vape. Okay, so today's gonna be a little different if I'm wearing the same shirt and everything. That's because I just finished filming this video. I came up with the idea on how durable is this glass actually, because I mean they come with a spare replacement glass, but I mean I want to test the limits on how easy this glass is gonna break, because like I said, I did get sponsored and I got a couple of glasses coming in the mail, so we're gonna test out those. But this is a stock glass that comes in the box and on your tank, so you get two. So we're gonna try to break this one, and we're just gonna do a daily test where if you have it in your pocket, you pull it out, it lands on cement or on the floor. We're gonna see how easy it breaks. So let's start. First things first, we're gonna just do simple walking in the pocket, and I have it on this Pulse Squawk box, which I don't really care about. I don't really use it. So if it does end up breaking the box, I don't really care. It's plastic anyways instead of breaking the snow wolf. So you got it in your pocket, you think you have it in your pocket, right? You're walking, you miss your pocket, and it falls. Pick it up. Doesn't look too bad, actually. It's not leaking yet. We just broke the box a little bit. We're gonna let the dog in here because he wants in. Come on. So the next test is, we're gonna come back onto the hardwood. How's the lighting? Good?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so you're vaping. And you end up dropping it face first, as you guys just seen there. It dropped perfect upside down, and all that happened was it looks like the lid opened. We got a little bit of juice coming out here. Okay, doesn't look bad, no cracks yet. So that's just your daily thing. Now we're gonna set it on the table at a family dinner. Someone's vaping or something or walks by and accidentally knocks it over. Okay, now that's a bit crazy. Yeah, right on, Sarge. We lost something. All right, say, we lost the back piece under the fridge. Doesn't look like we're gonna be getting that one anytime soon. This is getting really wampered, so I'll just leave it like that. Oh, I seen it land. Do we have a crack in it yet? No, we don't. No crack yet. Now we're gonna head to the garage where the cement floor is. Ayoy! How about that? Tank falls off. Okay, now it looks like we came into a mess. So for some reason, we unmounted it. How did that happen?
Check the glass, Sarge.
Glass seems to be fine.
I think we got a crack.
That's juice.
Never mind.
Why did that come out so easy? Oh, okay, we lost two pieces now. We'll just leave that on the table. So, all that happened there was this unhooked from there. I don't know why. So that was just a little throw test, and I got juice all over my hands. So now we're gonna come into the garage cement floor, because usually everywhere you're gonna go there's cement, not hardwood floors. They're throwing it at walls. Now this is probably where it's gonna break. So we'll do this. I believe it's gonna break right here. You think this happens to me all the time. So you think you're putting it in your pocket, but you're actually not, and it misses. So we're gonna go ahead and just and as you see there, it dropped pretty big. And it seems to be fine. Let's get rid of this bottle. Seems to be fine. Mouthpiece just moved and shipped. Yeah, it seems to be fine. So we'll go do the next test. It's on the table, and it knocks over. That was a brutal one. We gotta make it land on its side. There you go. So it seems to be holding out not bad, because I know the TFV12 actually dropped off of this table right here and completely shattered the glass. So we're gonna go ahead and let it drop off of this table. Make sure you get the full shot. Okay. And we still do not have any cracks in the glass. There's just a lot of juice, so I'm assuming there might be a crack. I'm gonna go ahead and dismantle this, and we're gonna go ahead and drop it. I'm gonna stand up on top of the razor, and we're gonna drop it from the top and see if this breaks the glass. Okay, we're gonna drop it straight from here. Ready?
Yes, sir.
Drop it right from up here. Now, let's see if we can break this glass. There it goes. Completely shattered. So it seems to me like your daily abuse on the TFV8 Big Baby Beast seems to hold out not bad actually. Dropping it, throwing it at walls, dropping it on cement 3 times, didn't break, but dropping it from 10 feet plus, broke it. Which was not, didn't shock me at all. Yeah, see, we completely lost it. So yeah, good thing they come with replacement glasses though. I would give this like a 10 out of 10 for dropping. Like, that was really good. I've dropped so many vapes and they crack, which is crazy. So I hope you guys did enjoy this little quick different video from the rest of mine. Hope you guys did enjoy it. Make sure to drop a like on the video, guys. Comment what kind of luck you've had with breaking your glass. I hope you guys do enjoy it. Don't forget to leave a like, share with your friends if you enjoyed, subscribe if you're new. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.